Hi guys, and we here again the other house. I gave you a tour guys. So here is. This brand new construction here. I have other there too. Here is 3-car garage. Ganito pag gawa ng bahay sa Amerika guys, yan. Ang daming wood. See? Saka mayroong basement there. Basement.
I didn't even.
This is the main entry. At that, it's cool, the air. There is the look like a office here.
What is all this?
I not know what's this.
Maze.
Look like a
It's a master bed.
what's in here? A room or office. And here is the stairs. You go up. No. You go up here. It's dangerous here. My goodness here.
Look, you can see it.
Oh my god.
You want to hold this in?
Look at this here. Other bedroom. And here is look like a bathroom here. Parito honey.
Coming up?
Split bedroom to.
Should they just
Yeah.
up in here?
Yep.
Look at the view though. That's what the copies have, that view.
Yeah, there is the view here.
Look that way.
Yeah. And have here. Look at this, have other bedroom. And this is the bonus room here. Not yet done. And there is the view. Okay, we get down now because it's scary here. It's so have no walls there. This is so dangerous to walk. Okay. And there is RJ.
You want the van?
Okay, we go here in the basement. This is so cold now here. The wind, RJ. Here's the basement. Oh no, here's the storage room. There is a big storage room here. And there is the room.
Bigger than ours?
Yup, it's bigger than ours, RJ. Look at that, guys. Yan, the basement here. Look like penis this here too kasi put now woods. Here is. Oh, that's a excess. This is the basement. Ooh, there is the basement for going to the garage. It's urgent.
It's so big.
Oh, don't dare, RJ, cannot do.
Oh, they finished the basement.
Yep, the pin is here. Yes.
Let's see how they do that.
All wrong.
Leave space. Leave space.
I go now here.
No, I don't say it's here.
And here is the dining. If you're eating, here is dining table. If you eat, there's the neighbor. There he is. Yan, the other house. Neighbor house. Yan. Ang daming mga kahoy dito. Okay guys, that's it for today guys. Sa tour ng house dito, bagong construction. That's it!